That's not the only thing that happened in sneakers recently. Actually, we have our first pair of automatically lacing Jordan 11s. Of course, this was a thing I've covered on a channel. I mean, I've unboxed the very first version. Well, not the mags, but I did the first Adapt basketball shoe.
Yeah. Adapt BBs?
Yeah, and the next one too. I think I did the two versions. Anyway, this to me looks like a modified, obviously pulling from the Adapt setup. Well, what are they calling? Are they calling it the Jordan Adapt? I think they might be. Yeah, the Air Jordan 11 Adapt. So they're just going to admit, like, look, it's similar tech. So the lacing is, I mean, this is something that people had dreamed about for a really long time, obviously, since the Back to the Future days. This idea of a self-lacing sneaker or sneaker without laces necessary. No one wants to bend down. No one wants to do up a lace. We're well aware. And I don't know what the adoption has been on this stuff. I don't see it in the streets, but then no one's in the streets anyway.
Yeah.
Like they normally would be. And for the people who are, they're not flexing the sneakers as they would be. So it's hard to know who's picking these up. But there's an app that goes with it. You can control the fit and you can have it, you can also unlace from there, but it does have dedicated buttons on the sole as well that you can use to achieve the same thing. It's the first time it's happened in a Jordan sneaker. Not the first time it's happened in a Nike sneaker. First time it's happened in a Jordan sneaker. So Jordan coming into the future as well.
Yeah. I'm guessing you can charge it on like a platform too, right?
Yeah.
Like the previous version.
Like the Adapt. That's right. Now, these are set to be released next month. And apparently it's going to have a pretty hefty price tag, around $500. So keep that in mind as well. I will say the Adapt, when I goofed with it, I was a bit worried that it was going to be a lot heavier in exchange for that technology being in there, but it felt just like a sturdy basketball shoe to me at the time. So that's just a little feedback on the Adapt stuff in general. I don't know, which one do you think looks better, the Jordan Adapt or the Nike Adapt? The Nike Adapt BB. Which one do you think looks?
I feel like these ones look better.
You like that
they
one
just
better?
look cleaner.
Yeah, a little bit more futuristic too. But it's hard with the Jordan brand. You gotta pay homage every time. So, but anyway, coming to the Jordan brand as well.